Hi, and thanks for joining us again. In today's 2-minute comparison, we're going to find out exactly how long it takes to bring our filet mignon steak to room temperature. Then we're going to pan sear it for 2 minutes on both sides. Then we're going to bake it on this rack in a 300-degree oven to my perfect internal temperature of 138 degrees. Then we're going to compare those results with the results we had from a filet last week that was prepared exactly the same way, except that filet came straight out of the fridge. We didn't give it time to come to room temperature first. The goal here is to determine 1. Is the wait time worth the effort? Or if you're like me, did I just screw things up by forgetting to bring my steak to room temperature first? 2. Does my room temperature filet have a better external result? Is the sear better? 3. Does my room temperature filet have a better internal result? Is the color gradient somehow better? And 4. Does it really matter? Particularly if I know that I've measured the internal temperature of my filet perfectly. All right, let's do this. Okay, first we're going to insert our KUKpro thermometer and set our timer for 4 hours so we can track how long it takes our fillets to reach room temperature. And of course we're speeding things up so we don't have to wait so long. As you can see, our internal temperature started at 40 degrees and then climbed 14 degrees during the first hour, 6 degrees during the second, and finally only 3 more degrees after the third hour. At the risk of being up all night, we called it close enough and started the rack bake at 300 degrees. Okay, after a 300-degree bake for just over 10 minutes, we're left with another perfectly cooked filet. And now, comparing this filet on top after a 3-hour room temperature thaw with our filet from last week on the bottom that came straight out of the fridge, well, the main takeaway is there's no reason to bring your filet to room temperature before cooking it, provided it isn't starting out frozen, of course. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to watch our 2-minute analysis next week of this very 2-minute comparison if you're interested in getting deeper into the data of this comparison. Thanks for watching.